Hello, welcome to another Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're just going to be testing this Tokyo Marui Mark 23. We've shot it at range and it's going pretty well. Yeah, we're just sort of ready just to demonstrate it on video. In this build, we've got the Nineball light trigger set, which is actually at the end of our build package, but I can't tell you how good that product is. I love it. I think it is absolute game changer for these Mark 23. It just makes the trigger so light, and obviously a huge inaccuracy comes from the heaviness of these triggers, so when you pull it and you pull off. So to make it lighter and just to allow you just to keep it onto it's the best product that any Mark 23 owner can buy, in my opinion. Bar none, really. We've also installed the Hadron TDC, the chassis, and we'll go for the triple one on that one, just so, and then we've obviously set it up, but obviously feel free to adjust it to your preference, when you get it. We've got the Hadron Fang, we've got the Nineball hot rubber, the Nineball Tightbore barrel, and yeah, that's it really. That equates to level 5 for us. Also we've got the Nineball gas root seal, and obviously the valve that goes with the light strike kit. On 3.2s it was getting around about sort of 255, I think, so obviously not at the limit, but it's a pretty decent FPS for sending 3.2 ammo, and obviously it makes people put their hands up for sure. But yeah, we just wanted to demonstrate it working. There we go. So hopefully that's all good for you. Any problems, let us know, hopefully before we send it out, but otherwise we look forward to you enjoying it. Thank you.